Elevate your dinner game with this delightful spiced salmon and tomato traybake, a feast for both the eyes and the taste buds. This simple yet flavorful recipe combines succulent salmon fillets with a medley of vibrant tomatoes, all roasted to perfection on a single tray. The magic happens as the robust spices infuse the salmon, creating a symphony of flavors that complement the natural sweetness of the tomatoes. Effortlessly prepared and bursting with wholesome goodness, this traybake is a surefire way to turn any ordinary evening into a culinary adventure. Ingredients are 1 red onion sliced, 200 grams of cherry tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of mild madras curry paste, 400 grams of a can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 2 skinless salmon fillets, 1 large or 2 small naan breads, 2 tablespoons of fat-free yogurt, lemon wedges and a few coriander leaves to serve. Heat the oven to fan gas mark 6 or 180 degrees Celsius. Toss the onion, tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of curry paste, the chickpeas, and 200 milliliters of water together in a deep oven-proof pan. Simmer for 15 minutes until the onions are tender and the tomatoes are just bursting. Stir everything, then season. Brush the remaining curry paste over the salmon fillets and season. Place the salmon on a baking tray and roast salmon for another 8-10 minutes, or until cooked to your liking. Meanwhile, warm the naan breads. You can do this by putting them directly on the oven rack below the roasting tin. Swirl the yogurt into the veg in the tin, then serve with the naan wedges for dunking, a few coriander leaves sprinkled over if you like, and the lemon wedges, if using, for squeezing over. As you savor the last delightful bites of this spiced salmon and tomato traybake, relish in the simplicity and brilliance of a meal effortlessly crafted. The harmony of spiced salmon and roasted tomatoes has not only graced your palate, but has also transformed an ordinary evening into a memorable culinary experience. With each forkful, you've embarked on a journey of flavors that tantalize and satisfy. We hope this recipe brings joy to your table, making your moments shared around good food all the more special. Until the next culinary adventure, happy cooking! Thanks for watching!